housing estate on White Tiger Street in Wrocław is a unique project characterized by modern, stylish design, which presents a wide range of functionalities offered by FIBARO Smart System. The estate consists of 16 apartments in 8 semi-detached houses, each of which is a separate ecosystem managed by Home Center 3 Gateway. Let's find out more about the investment. Our long-time business partner, FIBARO Wrocław, has comprehensively configured smart home system to facilitate daily activities, increase the comfort of the residents, and also ensure security across the entire estate. Multi-zone underfloor heating control, smart lighting in various sections of the house, and remote control of the garage gate are just a few examples of the automation awaiting future owners. Presented FIBARO solutions in a significant way increase the safety of residents, even during their absence. Noteworthy is the full synchronization of cameras with the alarm system. Arming the alarm will automatically activate a wake profile, which will immediately switch off the lights, lower the blinds, lock the smart lock at the main door, and also switch the ventilation system to absence mode. FIBARO Wrocław has also prepared custom solutions, such as integration of Frapol heat recovery ventilation. The system operates in 4 independent modes, and the ventilation only works when necessary. This allows us to optimize both heat and energy consumption, especially during the winter.
The integration of the Frapol Onyx recuperator was based on Modbus communication protocol. We connected a small hardware converter, a Modbus gateway, to the ventilation unit, allowing the FIBARO system to communicate with the device. Connecting the recuperator to the FIBARO system provides users with a range of benefits related to comfort and savings. We can define rules for how the device will perform and assign operating modes based on data from sensors available in the FIBARO system. There are humidity sensors in bathrooms, air quality sensors, carbon dioxide sensors, or door window sensors. By controlling the alarm system, we switch the recuperator to absence mode when there's no one at home and restore the basic mode when residents return. Everything happens automatically according to predefined rules, which are always discussed individually with the end user. And of course, automation does not exclude the possibility of manual ventilation control.
Residents can also change the settings of the heat recovery ventilation system through our dedicated UB Home app. The investment also has a photovoltaic installation. The integration of FIBARO System and Solplanet inverter allows for a quick and convenient management of energy production.